guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new video for you guys, and this intro is going to be black and white because I don't want you guys to see the reveal of what my hair looks like. I want to hold it off until the end, but I'm so happy. Just know that I'm so happy. But in this video, obviously, I'm going to be dyeing my hair hot pink, as you see by the title. And yeah, so if you guys want to see that process, then please stay tuned and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And let's get right into the video. Okay, you guys, so we're about to get into this. I am a little bit nervous, but this is the last time, for a while anyway, that you guys are gonna see my hair with these highlights. So my hair is freshly washed. There's no product in it. To use this dye, you have to have dry, cleansed hair. So I just washed it. A lot of people just shampoo it and that's it, but I'm a curly girl, so I had to condition, even though this serves as a conditioner because it is a conditioning kind of dye since it's semi-permanent. I don't trust it. I still had to go ahead and condition and make sure my hair was super dry. So here I have a bowl. This is just a regular bowl that I'm going to be putting the dye in so that it's easier to grab. I also have a scarf that I'm possibly going to tie around my neck. If not, I'm definitely going to tie around this towel, so I'll probably just use this towel. I have some gloves. I have 2 pairs of gloves just in case. I have my Denman brush to help me brush through, possibly before and after, depending on when I'm gonna need it. I have a hair clip and I have a plastic cap, and of course, last but not least, I have the star of the show. So this is Manic Panic NYC, and this is in the color Hot Pink. I'm excited. I've never had pink hair before. I was always the kind of girl, I was always the kind of person that tries to stay away from pink because I'm a girl. So when I was little, I got a lot of pink clothes and stuff like that, and I was always like, I don't even really like pink. I don't really like the color, and I started to really dislike the color pink because everything I had was pink at one point, or at least I felt like everything I had was pink at one point, and that's probably why I chose blue to be my favorite color, because I was trying to be like a rebel in a sense, or maybe not. I don't know. Blue's always been my favorite color, but anyway, I digress. I'm actually a little bit nervous about this. It's possibly why I'm just talking my brains off right now. Let's take a little before picture. I'm just gonna take a little before picture on my phone just so I could remember my hair. So first things first, I'm gonna tie this towel around my neck. I don't care if this towel gets dirty, it doesn't bother me. Make sure that you're wearing stuff that you don't mind getting. Oh, you know what I didn't do, but I'm just not gonna do that. You can't put Vaseline around your neck and your ears and all of that to not get stained, but it's no big deal for me. I don't think I'm gonna put the dye all the way up anyways. I'm gonna focus on the highlighted parts because my hair is already highlighted, it's already lightened, so the color should take really good. I hope. I've tried this before. I've done this plenty of times before with the blue dye. As you guys seen, I have a video of that on my channel as well. Here goes nothing. So as I said, my hair is dry. I'm gonna try to work in small sections. Eek! I'm nervous. Well, not really. No, I'm nervous. I'm honestly so tired. I went through so much today. Well, I didn't go through a lot. That's not what I mean. I did a lot today. I did a lot, and then turns out my laptop got into some trouble. It's just not turning on, so that's a thing. And I have to wait till, today's Monday, and I have to wait till Saturday to get an appointment at the Genius Bar at the Apple Store. Yay! Yay! That's perfect. I'm being sarcastic. I just didn't let it ruin my day or, take over my day, but it is very frustrating. I've used Manic Panic only once, and that was when I dyed my hair purple, my whole head was purple, but that was the only time that I used Manic Panic, and this is only my second time. Ooh, this color is bright. Ooh, I forgot what I was saying. Oh, this is only like this is my first time dyeing my hair myself with Manic Panic. Last time I had help. This is my first time using Manic Panic on its own. So this is what the color looks like. Guys, my hair is about to be super bright, but I'm down for it. So here I go. I'm going to first comb out my hair with my Denman brush, just to make sure it's detangled. It mostly is. My hair doesn't tangle too easily. So basically, I saw Carla, the real Carla J on Instagram, dye her hair hot pink a couple weeks back, and I've been itching to dye my hair for so long or add some type of color to it, but I was just like, I don't know, why do I want to do that? Maybe I should just stick to one color for a while. But it's been a while. The last time I dyed my hair was when I did the blue last year, February, and then I just did highlights back in August. So it's been a while actually since I have dyed my hair. And then I was gonna do just blue or black, because blue is like my signature type of thing. And I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna try something different. And then I saw Carla, and then I'm like, what if I dye my hair pink? Okay, I'm talking too much. I'm gonna put this in the bowl. I'm not gonna put all of it, so I'm just taking it with my finger because I don't have a brush. So if you don't have a brush, and if you're not gonna be using a brush, I mean like the dyeing type of brush, like the one that you use to dye your hair, you wanna make sure you do still get all the strands. If not, you're gonna have some that's possibly just gonna stay blonde, which I don't personally care if that happens, but I'm gonna have to really wash my Denman brush after this. So I'm just brushing through, making sure that it's all covered, all the highlighted areas anyway. All right, so far so good. So yeah, I'm basically gonna do this all over my hair. What's great about these semi-permanent dyes is that it doesn't last all, like it fades after a while, and it's also not terrible for your hair. So I really like it because you can always just switch your color up, your hair color up, without really damaging your hair. And also, I don't know, it's just fun. It's perfect for somebody like me who just can't stick to one hair color for too long, apparently. You guys, it's looking so good. Okay, you guys, I am done. I'm a little bit tired, not gonna lie. I was just running around a little bit. Okay, so all of it, my hair is completely saturated with the dye, and I covered it with a plastic cap. It says to keep it on for about 30 minutes, so that's what I'm gonna do. Let's check the time. Ooh, it is 6:30 p.m. So I guess I'm gonna wash it off around 7. So I'm gonna leave this in for about 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna rinse it with cold water. Then I'm gonna style it with my normal styling products, and I'll get back to you guys with my results. I used about 75% of the dye. I mean, some people usually get like 2 of these just for backup, so I will recommend to get 2 just in case. Also, because it's a temporary color, depending on how often you wash your hair, you're probably gonna have to deposit color and deposit color and deposit color if you're trying to keep the color up for a long time. Depending on my results, if I really like it, I'm gonna buy backups so I can continue to deposit color as the weeks go by. It says that this lasts for about 4 to 6 weeks, and truthfully, I think that is correct. For me, I think that's how long my purple started like fading out in about 6 weeks or so. I think the Adore brand lasts a little longer because I remember my blue color used to last really pretty long. So I'm most likely going to be styling with Not Your Mother's Curl Defining Cream, Not Your Mother's Curl Gel. I forgot what it's called. They're both from the Curl Talk line, and a little bit of the Camille Rose Naturals Honey Hydrate Leave-In. that's what I've been styling my hair with, and my curls have been looking really juicy, and that's what I'm gonna do. And then I'm gonna diffuse, and then I'm gonna come back, and I'm gonna be a whole new Kendra. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna go relax. I'm a little tired. I have some Starbucks here, so yeah, I'm gonna go. You guys. Damn! Oh my goodness. Okay, a couple of things. So I am so happy with my results. I'm so ecstatic. I'm so happy. I'm ready. It's like I've been filming this video for so long, and these kinds of videos just take like hours, but I'm actually so happy with my results. I've proven to myself time and time again that when I have blonde hair, my curls just aren't as like curly, right? And then every time I go and deposit some color back, and I use these kinds of semi-permanent dyes, my curls just come back to life, and this has proven it. Like, my curl definition is crazy right now. My hair is actually like, it looks even a little bit shorter just because of the curl definition and the volume. Like, this is first day hair. I just washed my hair, I just dyed it, and these are how my curls are looking. This is why I love these semi-permanent dyes. But this is exactly the color I wanted. It's very, very dark. Over the time, it's actually gonna get a little bit lighter, and it's gonna look more like vibrant pink, and it might even get to like a kind of like neon pink. Like, it might look almost that bright, but this is perfect. It dyed all of the highlighted areas, obviously. So up here it didn't dye because I have dark hair and it's not bleached. But I am so happy with my results. What do you guys think? Let me know. I've never had this hair color before. It's like hot pinkish. Well, it's hot pink, and I've never had pink hair. I've had light pink hair, but that was wigs, so it's not the same thing. But this hair color, like, it's perfect for summer. I just can't wait. I can't wait to put looks together with this hair color. What's gonna be tricky is that I was recently starting to get back into using like darker lips, like burgundies and stuff. Like, burgundy would still look fine, but like red might not look good with hot pink hair. Like, it might clash a little bit. I mean, I've done that before. I remember when I had purple hair, anytime I wore red lipstick, I felt like clownish. So that's the only like con to this. But maybe I could just give the red lips a break. Not that I even wear them a lot anyway, but I could just not do that for a little bit and just enjoy pairing this hair color with stuff that actually looks good. Like, I'm so happy. I'm hungry. I'm like starving, and I was gonna film another video after this, so I don't know if I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go eat first, and then we'll get back to that later. But anyways, I'm talking too much. Let me know what you guys think about the new hair color in the comments down below, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
No.